Welcome to the introductory video on beginning JavaScript, and this is part of our ongoing web development series. Now, in terms of prerequisites, if you have no previous experience with HTML or CSS, you should go to my YouTube channel page and take the beginning tutorials on both HTML and CSS, because they kind of go hand in hand with JavaScript. Now, in terms of what you'll need, any text editor will do, but I will be using Notepad in this series. But again, you can use any text editor. Now, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, I like to call those the big three. They work hand in hand to produce an interactive website. HTML, of course, adds structure to our web pages. So items such as layout, sections, and paragraph, that makes up our website and really gives it an overall structure. We use CSS to style our HTML tags, and so that adds style to our web pages. So items such as color, borders, all those types of things add all of the pizzazz to our website. And then JavaScript adds programming to our web pages, and that really makes our web pages interactive. It allows our web pages to be dynamic and to respond to user input. And so we'll go over all of that in this entire series. Now, how is JavaScript different from other programming languages? Well, the big difference is we don't have to compile our code, and we also don't need an IDE. So we can just place the JavaScript code right in our web page, and then the browser executes it. Now, where do we place our JavaScript code? We place the JavaScript code in the script element tag within our HTML web page. And of course, the script element tag is placed within the head element tag. And we'll be going over that in the next video. So we're not actually going to do any coding in this introductory video. We'll get to that in the next video. Oh, and one more thing, I will be dividing this series into two parts. In the first part, we'll be exploring the concepts of JavaScript, and in the second part, we'll apply those concepts to an actual website, probably the website that we developed in the CSS layout tutorials. Okay, see you guys in the next video.